Is email marketing dead? 5 reasons why email marketing isn't dead. 1. Email marketing. Building loyalty not only to potential customers. We recommend starting a large email campaign for all your potential customers. It's a good idea to send regular updates to your customers. Indeed, if your customers are happy with you, they will never forgotten you. You have a great chance to come back to you when they have new needs. Don't joke yourself. Even if the business is great, customers buy products, hire services, and then forget about you, unless it's Amazon or Coca-Cola. That's another story. In a nutshell, use your email to remind your customers that you exist. Keep them up with promotions, cross-sells, as well as small and simple campaigns to increase your notoriety and enhance your image in the marketplace. 2. Email can be customized. Remember the 3 S's: letter, signed directly by the management? Needless to say, this old marketing technique is still effective, even for housewives under the age of 50. Very easy to implement with a good email solution that allows you to add as much personalized information as you like. When talking about personalization, I immediately think of the greeting at the beginning of the email. Also, don't forget to personalize the topic. You also need to personalize content that contains a set of data that you can use as you like: work or home, interests, where your kids are, dogs, etc. 3. The email box as a reading area. Most internet users can rest assured about their mailbox. Contrary to what people think, social networks have never really become a place for reading. It's a summary of all sorts of information, but we don't think about it. Everything goes very fast and is very temporary. For example, a tweet has a lifetime of 30 seconds. Emails are read up to 2 days after being sent, and best of all, they can be easily archived by the recipient. Keep that in mind when building your email marketing. Do not duplicate advertising banners or web pages. Treat the recipient as a real reading. 4. Easily quantify the results of your email campaign. The number of emails read, the number of clicks, or the return on investment, ROI, of an email marketing campaign can be quantified very easily. With good email tools and Google Analytics, you can measure all these factors in an accurate and specific way. You can also tag each link, button, or image to get tracking information and compare effects. Finally, you can check who exactly opened the email, e.g. to schedule a call task. In short, the impact of email marketing campaigns is much easier to quantify than campaigns conducted through other communication channels. 5. Email is still the fastest and cheapest means of communication. A good tool allows you to write your own email and measure the results. If buying such a solution could mean financial costs, with a little practice it only takes a few minutes to send an email, and it doesn't cost anything to send. Please watch the next video if you want to learn more. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and share this video.